What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working at my house and we are getting this Trex deck put together. We have all of the material over here. We got the Trex, we got PVC to wrap it, and we have pressure treated 4x4 posts and also a couple 2x4s and 2x6s for solid blocking for the outside picture frame of the Trex. We need to fill in, for example, right here is one spot. That way we have somewhere to fasten the exterior pieces of Trex to. I also just got back from the lumber yard. I have a couple pieces of material on my truck. We are making a change to the staircase. If you've watched any of my previous videos about this, we talked about the stairs coming straight down here with either a landing in the middle or a straight staircase, but it is very tall and that is not what we're doing now. Unfortunately, we did not think about this when we were framing it. If we did, we would have framed it a little bit different, but basically what we're going to do now is build a platform out here. The stairs are going to come down this way to a landing about here where you can just walk right out into my yard, and then there will be another landing. Well, it's actually going to be one landing wide here, and there'll be another staircase that basically follows the pitch of the grass here right down to the driveway. So it'll kick that way, walk over, and then come back down here. And I think that'll look much better. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit on the framing end of things. I am about to get started with all of the hangers. We got our hanger gun back. That was unfortunate what happened with it. The piston that fires was broken, so they had to rebuild it. We spent about 150 bucks to rebuild it on a, I think it's like a $300 gun.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we got this whole platform framed in now, so you can see where the stairs are going to be coming down. So basically you'll walk out to here, staircase will go down this way to a landing somewhere about here. I believe the landing is right here, and then it's going to be out to here and another staircase down to here. But we're going to figure this lower staircase out later. We might have to do a little bit of a walkway here depending on where the stairs end, because our goal is to keep them below 18 inches off the ground. That way you don't need a railing out here, you'll just have your staircase. and that'll be it. And you can step onto the stairs wherever you want, and this side of the platform you can just walk right out. The only railing we'll have is that upper section, and then obviously railings around the whole deck. All right, I just got back from the lumber yard with more 2x8s, 2 more railing sections. I had to buy 2 more 6-footers because of the way we decided to do the stairwell here, but the Trex is starting to look very nice on here. It looks really good with the color of the siding here. But basically what I needed the railing kits for is because this side here is 9 feet, and you can either get 6-footers or 8-footers, so obviously neither of those work. So we're gonna have a post here in the middle, basically in line with the railings that run down the front of the deck, and that'll be a section, and this will be a section. So I needed one 6-foot section for that, and then I needed another 6-foot section for out there. I didn't have one for that because originally the stairs were going to go here, and this would have just been open, but no big deal, I got it, and we're going to keep working and see how far we can get today.
¿Estás seguro? Y arriba no. Deja ver si puedo ponerla al otro lado. Oh, sí, le mando de aquí, Freddy. Mando. Dale, nice in there for the one. Yeah. ¿Se quedó duro o no?
All right guys, so we got all the picture frame on all the way around here, all the way across first board right here. It's not screwed down, it's just loose in here, but this whole side is completely done, and we just got one post on with the cap, skirt, the sleeve, 4x4 right inside there, and it's starting to come together. But that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow we'll be back here and try to get this buttoned up. We're gonna get hopefully everything except the stairs. The stairs are gonna take a full day alone probably just to get all of that done. But if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.